I think it is more better for me to talk about this property page and project page. But for this video, I'm going to talk about the property page because this page is really, really important. These are the pages that we are really promoting to the users, and we want these pages to really look good and look perfect. Uh, so the first thing I would like to talk about is the header pictures. I can see you have one pictures here and you have one pictures here, and when they click here, it will show this picture. You see this picture? It is just too small. You see this picture? It's not even moving. You see, it's very, very small. This is what you have here. You try, you do some good job, but uh, this is good. But the problem with this place is, like, we don't really want it to look like this. Look at this is 99 coal. Make it something like this. You see, the first picture is just like this, and they have this 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see it's showing 7. If you cannot make it like this 7, but make the design to look like this. And you see, now I want to click at the picture. You see, when I click the picture, you see how big is the picture is. You see how big, and you see how this picture, you see how big are they. You see how big are they? Very big, same size. So that is why we said, when users are uploading pictures, divine the size of the pictures they have to upload, so that all the size of the pictures look the same thing. Look at this. This is very nice. So please, we want something similar to this. We want something similar to this. So you can do it. This is okay if you can make it like this. This one I'm pointing, but make it 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5, something similar to that. And when we click at this, let the picture look big. Let it look big, just like this. Let it look big, something similar to this, something similar to your video, so that we make this home page look good. So that is the first thing, the first area we would like to talk about. Yes, this one is look good. This design is good. We like the way you put it on the white background, and this blue, and everything is just look good here. So you get this perfectly. So now we are moving down. So this area, what you've just done is good because you put everything. But this, you need to put them in a design. Make the design good. Maybe you have to put all this, put them in a box. So this one, LG, you don't need to put this local government area in Nigeria. Remove this. Remove it. You don't need it. Remove it. And bring this LG, bring it here. And bring this state, bring it here. Bring this state, bring it here. Only LG, put it here, and put them in a design, something that will make them look good. Put it in a design, maybe in a box, in a beautiful box, so that your page can look good. These are the things that will promote your job. You need to do something with your heart so that the page look really good. So you put it in a box, make it nice. You see, this one is nice. Maybe you want to put it in one box. I don't know the color you are going to put, but just put it and make it look good. So that is one thing. It can up to this place. That one is good. When you put the box, they will be good. So let us move to this place. So this as well, this one is also good. But this station, put it here. Put it beside fitness. Put it beside fitness. Don't let it extend here. So after that, also put it in a box. Put it in a box. You understand? Also put this in a box so that look good, and let it stop here. And you need to create something like this. Something like this. This I'm showing you. This, you need to create something like this. Something like this. You see the way we move it is there. You see? This is 99.co. I'm just showing you this. This one, you need to create something like this. So from here, from these amenities, you can create it. This description is too long, so that you make it shorter. Let it be the same size with this amenity. Stop here and you put something here, so that the something can move from here. So You can the thing can move from here until then stop here. Then stop here. No, don't stop here. Don't stop here. Keep moving. You keep moving it. You keep moving it until this place. Until this place. This, something like this. So that when we move it, you see, they keep moving it, it's keep moving, it's still there. This is not moving at all, you see. Then stop. When we get to commute and nearby, is stop. So we can do something similar so that we can move it from these amenities. We can move it, we keep moving it, we keep moving it, we keep moving it until stop here. So here, we make it smaller. No need to be so big. This and this transaction history, we don't need to make it bigger. We need to move it a bit here. Okay, so stop here. Stop before the commute and nearby places. We stop there. So this one is good. This is good, but this is not nice. You see, this is what you do in. You see, you can do the same thing. This is your work. You see what you do here? It's make it beautiful. This logo, all these icons. So you can also put these icons here. Put them, let the icons shows so that it's look good. So this is okay. This is good. This is good. So, and make everything here perfect. I think this, you don't need it. This typers developer, whatever, you don't need it to show, so that all the size can become the same thing. So that is what you need to do. So one more thing I need to call your attention to is this. So this distance is good. Key details, the distance is good. Amenities, the distance from here to here is good. Description, the distance is good. Development, the distance is good. But I think here transactions is too close. It's too close to this box and it's too close to this. Let it move it down a little bit and don't let it too close to this. It's too close. This transaction is too close. So it makes the design not too beautiful. It makes it look ugly. And this multi-gauge estimation also too close. Let it be a little distance. Commute and nearby places is too near to this calculator and to this place. Let it give them a space. That is why your design look not too good. They are too close. So you give them a space. Like this profile is the space from here to here is good. So this is good enough. So that's all. So one more thing we would like to call your attention to is this area. You see this area. Move it, like I said earlier, move it a little bit and see. Sorry, I need to show you. So this is the thing. This is the thing. You see this area, design, make it a design. Make it a design, maybe in a box. In a box, you need to put it in a box. And why someone can delete from the front page? This is wrong. This action is wrong. Delete is wrong. So, and make sure you put this, put it in a box. Something like what you did here. Something like what you did here. You see, this one, you put it in a box, is good. It at least, everything is good. You cannot delete. But let us go to 2. You see, when I move to 2, it's like this. You need to make it similar to this one. It's not working well, but I'll get there. So this is it. This one is good. You make it design like this because it's in the box and it is very clear. So we do something like this. And this money is not showing very well. It should show the old money. Let the old money show. Nothing like 00 something. It is wrong. Let all the money shows. Let all the money shows. This is wrong. Let all the money shows. This one is good. Per square feet is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. let it be on a box. But when we move to this place, let it also be in a box. Let it be the same thing like number 1, number 2. Let them, all of them be the same thing, and let them at least be 1 to 10. You see, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10. Number 1 should be 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 2 should be 1 to 10. And put it in a box. Make the design beautiful. And make sure user cannot delete. User cannot delete. You see what they did? I will show you what they did here. I will show you an example of what they did. Here. You see their own, this is 99.co. You see the way they move it. You see the way it's moving. You see the way it's moving. I don't know how many of them they put, maybe it's 10, maybe 20, I don't know, but you see the way they do it to make the design beautiful. So that is it. So take note. This, put it in a box, and if you can make it move, or you want to leave it like this, make it so nice, make it beautiful. So that is another thing. And here, the calculator. You see your calculator. I want to write 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 3. How to know? People can know. You need to put comma. I will show you in Magic Brick. Look at Magic Brick. This is Magic Brick. I want to write 10,000. You see, I'm writing 10,000. 1, 2, 2, 3. You see, automatically the comma shows. Let the comma shows, and it's showing here 1 call, but we don't use India money. You see, it's showing 10,000. So if we can do something like that, let any kind of money, I'll keep on mentioning to you, anywhere on this property website, when they are key in, they are listing property or whatever, when they key in money, let it shows in comma so that people knows is in comma. And if you can write it in words here, if the 10,000 can show here, just like this. You see, it is very easy to see. That is why I keep telling you little things. You are not putting details. It makes the website not look good, and it will not work very well. How can we accept all this when they are not working very well? You see, so this is not good. Let the money work very well. You see, so things is not being proper here. So you see, like this one, like this O supposed to be capital letter, I supposed to be capital letter, R supposed to be capital letter. So you need people with good design concepts. These are the things that we pay details to. So you need to like fix all this problem. I think this is all what I can talk about this page now. If you can watch this video and you pay attention to everything I explain on this video, then you will be able to do a proper property page for us. Because for now, we don't like this page the way it look like. It is not nice. So make sure you watch the video and fix everything. And one thing again, before I will stop, I will call your attention to is the way you write things. They are too small. Sometimes people cannot see the content because they are a bit too small. These are all the things I can think of just now. Thank you.